Hey Scott, so last week I talked a lot about trying to get videos going every week, and I've talked about online marketing and some of the tricks. And people have been asking, what do I video about? What is it that I have to offer? What do I tell people about my business? If it's a cupcake store, yeah, I sell cupcakes and cakes. That's it. Or if it's a law firm, we help people with personal injury. If it's a auto repair store, we fix cars. So there's a lot of things that people want to know. So you're probably going, well, what are you doing, Scott? You're on a ski lift. And that's right, this is Monday. I am playing hooky. And that's what reminded me and got me thinking about this video. So every one of us that starts a business starts it for a reason. So for me, after a couple of years of working in an office doing the 9-to-5 grind and being in military police as an enlisted guy, Air Force security police actually, I decided there had to be a better way. And as an Air Force security policeman, being a pilot was clearly the coolest thing, and I went and did that and flew jets. And then I went to a little company that is now Verizon, traces its roots all the way back to 35 people in Walnut Creek, and sat in a cube and worked Monday through Friday, and it drove me bat crazy. So those are the kind of things that your customers want to know about you. They buy from people they like, and if they like you, they'll buy from you. So tell them about why you started your business. And the reason that I started my business is I would sit in that cubicle 8 to 10 hours a day just to be available for people. And the reality was they only needed to pay me for maybe 3 hours a day. So what I did is I figured out my hourly rate, I tripled it, and I went back as a contractor. And I have had my own business or been an independent contractor ever since in the tech world. So why did you start your business? There's your first video. And every week or so, I'll mix that in there. What a good video could be for you for your next shot. So there's a couple minutes, your marketing minute, of something you can take to the bank. For me, I did it. I started my business so that I could get time off during the week when nobody else is skiing, even though, sadly, well, as you can see, I'm on the next lift heading up, and not a lot of snow out there. So hopefully it'll be a halfway decent day, but this is just one of my many reasons for being an independent contractor, not being locked up in the rat race Monday through Friday in an office job. So what's yours? Tell us, share the video, share it here, and we'll share it for you. Thanks, have a great day, and hopefully you have a great week doing Minute Marketing for your business.